Tiny Reviewer, mystery reviewing item every time. Hello Tiny Reviewer friends, it's Tiny Reviewer. Today is a big assignment thing, making thing. I might not finish it in this whole video, but I will send you guys a picture on what the finished gingerbread, sorry I mentioned it, a gingerbread house looks like. So of course it's big, it's a triangle shape. Remember, it's big, which means I have to assemble this thing, which is the hardest thing. At Costco, they are all assembled and all I have to do is decorate it. But at Trader Joe's, I have to assemble and decorate them, which is not so great. But thankfully, this is a simple one, like a little hut. So all I have to do is just assemble it about 4 pieces, and then I can quickly go on to decorating. So let's first look at the package itself. So it's a product of Germany. So I'm gonna be making this gingerbread house. It has all the things I need. Although it says in the back of the package, it does says the gingerbread house kit is not complete and will require the equivalent of 1 egg white and lemon juice or white vinegar to complete, which I don't know what it means. So I will just go in and see what's inside because I have to look inside in order to see what's missing. Hopefully there's no icing missing because if I have to make icing, it will take a lot of time. So I'm gonna open it now. Oh, the nutrient facts and ingredients are here. My father will send a picture of this. I'll explain it. Oh my goodness. So it kind of got broken on the way. So let's see how I'm gonna open it. Looks like I'm gonna have to use a pair of scissors this time. My father cut the bit of where the tape was stuck here in the back. And all I have to do is now just kind of open it like this. There we go, and now looks like it's kind of like that or something. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm not a master at opening packages, so let's see what's inside. Icing sugar with the little drizzling thing, something. This, I don't know what it is, but it looks like a box to me. And thank goodness. Alright. Come on, out you go. You're not gonna stay inside this whole box all day. I'm gonna assemble you today. So out. There we go. So I happen to open it upside down again, and I'm a master at opening things upside down, not proper. So, Daddy, can you take the box? Thank you. So, okay, how do I open this thing? Okay, there's all sorts of things here. So here is the pastry that I'm going to be assembling. Things on this is only about 4 pieces. So that's that. Some little M&M things that are known as chocolate buttons. The little thing that when you put icing, you just little things you can spray on top. And my favorite, the fruit gummies. To decorate, obviously. And I'm not sure what this is really. Right. It's the icing thing. So the icing package is somewhere. So it looks like this. So you put this in the packet and you cut open this part and you squeeze it. So it looks like that. And let's open this small packet I just said with a box. Now what is this? Oh, these are some mini things like this thing where you can, it's a sticker. So you have to take this backing off and you can just put it wherever you want in the house to be. Yeah, right. The most important parts. The little humans that are also stickers. So, Daddy, can you give me the box again? I want to show my little friends. So it looks like stickers, ouch. So as you can see, it looks like you stick it to somewhere or you can just put icing on the front of the feet and you can hold it there. And the little animal thing was in the picture up here. You can either put it on the icing or, yeah, anyways. So that's that. So this one looks like me, although I'm not pink in color. So since we couldn't use the egg beater because it spilled everywhere, we're gonna use this spatula thing to stir it for a while before using the egg beater, which I think we're not going to use. So in our house, we did not have white vinegar, so we used apple vinegar instead. And it's not turning out as an icing as we expected. And it's turning a bit of more of a clump than an ice. So since the icing was a bit thick, since it is not part of the ingredient, but we're going to use it to thin it with milk. So only a few drops. It's not working as planned, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but let's stir in a few drops of milk. My mom's going to do the mixing because she's an expert cook. Thanks, Mama. So this is more like an icing, don't you think? I tasted it and it's like an icing. Let's